All right, folks, here we go. Thursday morning, early start here in Chicago, 5:30 a.m. Going to be a beautiful day. We're ready to go. Yesterday, big day, Federal Reserve meeting. We wrapped up that two-day meeting. Fed Chairman Powell comes out, talks about how the Fed is changing their position, now looking to raise interest rates 2 times in 2023. Again, the risk was not that they change rates immediately, but they start talking about changing rates down the road. What happens? Markets sell off, stock market was down, Dow Jones was down about 200 or so modest moves, nothing major. Where we did see big moves, however, was in FX. That dollar's now hitting highs that we haven't seen in a couple of months. Euro dollar down below 1.20. Pound down below 1.40. Dollar yen up above 110. So seeing some strength in that dollar, seeing a continuation of that today, seeing a continuation of the weakness in the stock market today, all off this news from the Fed yesterday with this more hawkish, meaning higher rates stance. So what does that mean? That means that could have some more price action to close out the rest of the week. Means it could be at a good opportunity for you to get into Nadex, open that account back up, and get going. So let's get in there today. Let's have a great day. Trade some of that price action. I'll check in with you folks again tomorrow.